What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala game, sitting at 0.04233, down 0.7 on the day, 0.79. Seeing market cap 1.29 billion, 24-hour volume 96 million. So if we look at the chart, I still think there's a good chance we put in a lower low and basically a 5-wave move and a wave C. Wave 1 down, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Of course, anything can happen. So if we were to come all the way up and break the B wave high at 0.04859, we can look at a bullish breakout. But until then, there's a decent chance we at least put in one more lower low. If we have a clear break of 0.03774 and we start to lose that level, then there is a good chance you fill that wick and you come lower before seeing a bounce. But until then, we're in the wave 2 pullback zone. So I do think we'll see at least one more lower low to test the 78.6 before a bounce. If we break the B wave high, a straight breakout, then we can look at a bullish move. But until then, we can focus on the bearish scenario. And as I mentioned, if you get a clear break of that bearish level, it increases the chances of filling that wick and creating a lower low. Just holding the weekly EMAs, I do think that will hold. Even if we break below them a little bit, we'll bounce back to the upside and see you later. We're just going through a correction. All right, guys. If you want completely free access to my signals, mostly I've been trading Forex lately. You can sign up to either Bitfinex for crypto, no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America, or CoinX for Forex. You can easily deposit crypto into your account. There's no KYC required. You can be up and trading in 20 minutes. Once you make your deposit, your account takes 2 minutes to set up. My links are down below. If you sign up to either Forex or crypto exchange, just send me an email after you make your first deposit, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trade setups, Forex signals as well. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.